Hey, Craig, big up yourself, Craig. I'm just home chilling, enjoying a crab. They call these dungeon crabs. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I'm eating these. I'm eating the legs, the claws first. Since I found these crabs right here, since I start eating them, I haven't messed with blue crabs. Blue crabs is a waste of time. No meat. Or if you find meat in a blue crab, you gotta fight to get it. I don't have to fight to get the meat out of this. The meat is just right there. And it's a lot of meat. So as far as I'm concerned, you won't catch me eating no more blue crabs. I have one more, then I'm gonna get into the body of this. Look at all that meat. Look at all that meat. This one was a male. Welcome to the chat, guys. Welcome to the chat. Hey, Chill. All things Chill. How you doing? Chelas, I haven't seen you post in a long time, and lately you've been posting a lot. Welcome back to YouTube. It is yummy. Ice and tea, how you doing? It's all meat. Lion, my brother. Blessing and respect. Wagwan. There's something nice, man. Oh God. So tastes so good. Mm. This thing is so juicy. Queen Ice, blessings. Thanks for coming over, Mama. Here in John, a crab. We call him dungeon crab. This thing filled with meat. Look at that. All meat. Since I start eating these things, since I start eating these with malice blue crab. Number one, blue crab don't have no meat. And if you do have meat, you have to fight to go free. These you don't have to fight. Look at that. That's all meat. Now you tell me which blue crab have this. Oh God, man. Let me show you guys something. Look at that. Look at that. You think blue crab have this? Nadia, what going, mama? Miss B. Blessings. Father and son in the building. Look at that. There's two things a lady can't catch me with, you know. Two things a lady can't catch me with. Seafood. Look at it. You can't catch me with seafood and a good pot of stew peas. I'm not talking about stew peas with a chicken foot. I'm going back in the days. And then when they wasn't putting chicken foot in a stew peas. Okay. I talk about pigtail and salt beef. Oh man, can't catch me with that. And some good seafood. Tracy, how you doing? Welcome. I don't know what you call this. I don't know if you want to call it a mukbang. I'm not showing my face. I'm not showing all the mess I'm making. Look at all that meat. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Here, take a bite. Take a bite. Take a bite. Come on, take a bite. All right. Bite it this side. Bite it. Take a bite. Can't say I wasn't sharing. Talman, big up yourself. You can't say I didn't try to share. It means I don't like sharing my seafood, you know. And I don't like sharing my stoopies. You know what I haven't had in a long time? Some rundown. All right. Ready? Say ah. Take a bite. Come on, take a bite. Take a bite. Guys, you can't say I was mean. I was trying to share it with you guys. Trying to share. What they say, sharing is caring. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Bite. Bite. Open wide. Ah. That's why I love these crabs. You just open the claw up and take the meat right out. Father and son. Why may I tell the crab you're nice? Sweeter than the Jamaican crab, them not tell a lie. I love the content that you've been putting up, father and son. Love the contents. See? Keep up the good work, brethren. Sometimes I don't comment because 90% of the time I'm watching you guys, I'm driving. But I want to thank you guys for keeping me going on the road when I'm driving. I really appreciate it. And I'm done. Woo. Well, that was good. All right. Check this, guys. Check this out, guys. I saw them look up here when I order them, okay? Star apple. Me eat about 4 or 5 already. I'm telling you guys, listen, I haven't had star apple in about 40 years. I'm being honest with you guys. Probably more. No. No. Well, I say about 30, 35 to 38 years I hadn't had one of these. And when I tell you, when I cut this thing and try it, they might look small. These are the green one, not the purple. When I cut these things and I taste them, you know how much memory this thing brought back? Oh my God. You know how much memory it brought back? These are, like I said, these are the green ones, not the purple one. Oh my God. You see them? I had to order them from Florida. You say, you know how much memory this is something I bring back, man. Lord have mercy, man. Bring me back right back into the country. Down in Orleans today. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Whoa. Mm. Whole heap of memories. I remember when I used to see all the nice ripe, the purple one them in the tree. And all you see is one in on it, then way out on a limb. And me say you fling stone, you fling stone, you fling stone, you fling stone. I think that's why them call it the meanest. What they call it? So them say it mean. Star apple mean. Well, I tell her. Them sweet. Very, very sweet. Special K, what's going on? They just mash up one crab, one what they call it, dungeon crab. I eat two star apple. Some of those they chill out, drink a beer. And just take my time and relax. Cause you know, I'm not on the road today. Not driving. You're relaxing. And I shall go. Nice. Tomorrow, you guys gonna see me? Let me out there cut the lawn, cause it's getting out of hand right now. My neighbor's cat, and on the driveway, I chill out. And I have a new addition. I have a new addition to the family. Let me plug this out. That's my ring doorbell. Anyone them can see you now. I have a some new addition to the family. Oh, no, there. These are my little babies. I keep putting these things in on a feeding. I don't know if to pick it up still. Hey, Cat, how you doing? They try something, you know? These are some layers. I'm trying to raise some layers. Tired to buy egg. You know, price of egg gone up. Price of egg gone sky high. So I bought. Well, I mean, they were given to me. These people drove in Birmingham, Alabama. They drove about 3.5 hours to bring these to me because they didn't know what to do with them. So I told them, bring them.
We can't fly out. Jamaica love. We wanna feel Jamaica love.
Hey, Kat, tell Trevor I'm live. She just tried to call me. Please. What I look for? What I look for a second? What's up? I gotta name the one at Trev. Go on down. Fly, man! Oh, big bird now. Getting this thing on the water. Innings family, blessings and respect. Team Happy, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm here trying a little thing with these chickens, you know? Come on, I'm gonna drink up. You know these things don't stop eat.